Hey there everybody, Maria Marquis here, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can find exactly what you need to answer your questions using filtering. So I've got a table with a lot of projects here, and we can imagine as more and more projects get added, it'll be more challenging to find that thing I need. But you're in luck because you have filtering. So the first thing I want to do is actually add what's called a filter bar to this table. And I do that by just going over here to Options, choosing Filter, and enabling Filter Bar. Boop, just by doing that. So notice what this does is it puts little drop-down menus that let me filter this information by that criteria. But you get to decide what you want in that filter bar. So I could say, yeah, I want the team, the stage, I want the launch date, I want to know the challenge, questions, progress. You decide exactly what should be up there. And now what we can do is very easily go, okay, show me progress that's under 50%. Show me where the challenge is 3 chili peppers or more. Show me where the stage is not started. And look we're doing really well. Nothing meets that criteria. So we've got this way for us to find what we're looking for. Now, we've already done some filtering, but at any time, you just go right over here, click Reset. Ta-da, we go back to neutral. The other thing I like about Filter Bar is that this is just for me. It's not impacting what anybody else sees. So I can be cruising through this data, answering my questions, and everybody else can be doing that too, and we're not getting in each other's way. Now that's the first part, but inevitably there are going to be certain questions that we always want to have an answer for. For example, how many projects are at risk? Maybe I want to be able to share that with my boss really easily and not have them have to go through everything here. So what I can do is create what's called a view. How it works is I just type slash and table, boop. And then instead of choosing this start blank option, I'm going to actually choose a table I already have. In this case, all projects. This is now a direct link to that one that we've already been playing in. Let's go ahead and get rid of that over here. I could rename this, so I could say this is our at-risk projects. And then now I can add a special filter that's always on for this. I'll click Filter, and I'm going to choose Add Filter here instead of Add in the Enable Filter Bar. And now I'll say, okay, show me where that latest status is at risk. Now we've got this nice streamlined look and feel. I could even decide that, you know what, I want to hide some columns here. I don't need a lot of this extra stuff. I just want to see what's most important. So now, any changes I make in either location, for example, if this is no longer our custom pizza thumbnails, it's no longer on track, it's now at risk, notice it now shows up here in that view. So this allows me to see exactly what's going on. And if I wanted to, I could put that at risk in its own special page just by grabbing that, dragging it over to new page. It's now called our at-risk projects. We could give it a nice alarming emoji here by saying, alarm, yes, the nice bell. And we can actually have this one go-to spot. So I could say, hey, boss, here's all the at-risk projects. They see everything they need to see, but we still have all of the projects available here for that larger view. So tables and views work together to help you answer those questions. And they don't duplicate your data. Remember, any change in one place changes in the other place too. So you always know you're working with the most accurate, up-to-date information. So now it's your turn. Think about the questions you want your data to answer and make a view. And I'll see you next time.